Hello guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel, and today I am going to buy a new car. I think you have seen the video. I hope you have seen the video in which I taught my friend how to drive a stick shift. So he's the one who is buying the car. So today he's gonna buy the car and I'm gonna show you what's the process, how all of that stuff happens and all of that, and we'll be just getting that car today. So we are just gonna go there and get the new car. Yeah guys, yesterday I was there at the Tata showroom and we got this car. I wasn't able to film it because it started raining, so I'm just doing it. I'm filming this portion the next day. So this is the car we got. This is my friend's car, the one I introduced to you, the one I was trying to teach how to drive a stick shift. I hope you remember that video and you have seen that video in which that friend, he bought this car. I told you about that. He's gonna buy a car, so he bought this car. He was just in love with this car, so that's why he got this. Yeah, he did a lot of research about it and I hope he's gonna be happy and he'll enjoy this the time he's gonna own this car. So I'm just gonna show you the interior and the exterior of the car, and I'm gonna show you the pros and cons of buying this car. I hope it's gonna help you because I just like to know which car I'm buying and what's the features in the car. So I'll just show you and I hope that's gonna help you. So this is the exterior shot of the car. So like the wheels are okay, like yeah, but the showroom we got from, like yeah, they have a lot of rust here. Like this is not the best thing to have, but they were just saying it's a common thing. And then the other thing was this grille, the fitting of this grille. As you can see, it is off, but they were saying this is just like a small thing. So we were just like, we cannot say anything to them. They were just like, they were not being the best. They didn't have the best service. So I just don't recommend you to go to that Tata showroom, which that is not the best showroom. They don't give you the best car in their lot. Now I'm gonna get into the interior and I'll show you the interior of the car. Like yeah, as soon as you are gonna see this door. So these are some whack locks. Like yeah, as you can see, like these are not the best locks you can have and these are just cheap. And this car was around 6.5 lakhs and with this locks it's just like really cheap. I don't like this at all. Tata is not doing a best job at this. And these handles are just like chrome and they have not done the best coloring in the car. Like yeah, the theme which is going in the car is not the best, so I don't like this. And these buttons are cheap, like as in my car they are plastic, but this is like okay, this is the same plastic I have in my car, so it's just like okay, but the coloring like chrome here doesn't look the best. And they have this for holding and closing the door. It's good, like yeah, it looks nice and it's okay. Like yeah, and you can see the seats, they are just like, they're not the best looking seats you can have. They have tried to do the JDM seat as you can get in the Supras. They were just trying to get that look, but they were not able to get that look. And when you are gonna get into the car, this is gonna be the steering wheel, and this is gonna be the look you will have on the car. You will have a big screen here, and this is gonna be your gear shift, your stick shift, and there is the handbrake of your car. And it is like okay, the space inside the car is nice. Like you'll be having a good amount of space in your car, so it looks nice. So I'll just show you the key. So these are the key and they are very light. Yeah, they look like a normal key and they're just like a bit cheap, but it's okay, like yeah, it's fine. So I'll just turn on the car. When you are gonna turn on the car, you are just gonna see this on the dashboard. Like the cluster on this car is just like nice. The cluster on this car is nice, but like yeah, it's okay, it looks nice and I can live with that. Like yeah, this looks nice. And then you'll get this screen, and you also have the backup camera in this car. When you are going to reverse the car, it's just gonna be nice to have a backup camera because it helps you a lot when you are reversing it. Though this is a small car, but still having a backup camera is gonna be really nice. Yeah, and the cluster is nice. When I'm gonna start the car. For starting this car, like I have seen this car and you just you have to put the clutch in, and then this car starts as normal. Like, yeah, that's the normal thing which happens in US car, American cars. So this is also the same thing which happens here. And if I'm gonna rev it, like, this is on the left, you have the RPM gauge. Like, this is the RPM gauge. When I'm gonna rev it, it's gonna be like this. Yeah, and it's nice. Like, yeah, it's a modern, it looks modern, and that's nice. And this is your fuel gauge, and this is your temperature gauge of your car, and this is the speed limit, like what speed you are going. So it's just like big, and you'll able to notice what is the current speed limit. So you will also have the amount of mileage you are getting from your car and the total kilometers you have driven this car. So yeah, it's great, and the cluster is nice, and you have this big screen, so it is not that much laggy, so it is just like fine. So yeah, it looks great, I like it. So this is the best thing, like, yeah. And the AC on this car is just like really nice. The AC works really nice in this car, and I like the AC. So these are the common things. And yeah, there's the new feature in this car, like I haven't seen this before, is this: to open the side mirrors and to close the side mirror. Yeah, when you are gonna lock your car and unlock your car, these are gonna open and fold automatically. But if you are driving and you want to close the side mirrors, you can just push it down, yeah, as they close. And for opening them, yeah, just have to push them back again, like, yeah, they open. So that's okay. Like, yeah, it's convenient to have it here, but if that button would be here, that would be way better than that button, that place. Like, that place is not the best place. You have to reach out there to close your mirrors and do all of that. But it's like okay, and I can live with this car. Yeah, if you are buying a car and this is your first car, it's just the best car, and I like it. Like, yeah, I can live with this car for a really long time, and I like it. Just shift into second gear, like that. You are doing a great job at driving this car, so it's just like easier to drive, and I hope you are just able to drive it. This is the freaking beep I hate in every single car, when you don't have seat belts on. But still, I won't be wearing the seat belts. I'm with him, as I have introduced him to you. So these are my other friends. Like, this is my friend Shubham, and this is my real brother Satvik. So yeah, we all are here, and we are just teaching him how to drive, and he's just getting nicer. Like, the day I taught him how to drive, he wasn't driving that good, but when I was with all of these people, he just get confident. So that was a great thing for him. So he's just able to drive properly at this point. So I'm just proud. We all are proud of him. Like, yeah, we all know how to drive a car. He was the only person who didn't knew how to drive. So now he's gonna be the fourth person who will be driving the car. So that will be really nice. At this point, we are just driving on empty roads because we don't want to take him on the streets. It's the first time he's driving his own car. So from a couple of days after this, like, yeah, we are gonna come here for a couple of days more. Slow it down. So after that, we'll come here. After that, we'll go on the main streets and then we'll teach him how to drive on the main streets. Yeah, slow it down, slow it more, slow it more. Yeah. After that, he'll be confident enough to drive on the main street and on the public road, because it's not easy when you are starting to drive on a public road. It's just a bit odd because all of the cars are passing you and you are just gonna get scared while you are driving. So he just needs to get trained here and he needs to be perfect at driving, and then we'll take him on public roads and then he'll be really nice at driving them. Like when you are gonna learn on the public roads, after that we need to teach you how to park. That's also the main thing. So that would be a bit difficult. To drive a car in reverse is more difficult than drive a car in a straight line, because you just have all the visibility. But when you are driving in reverse, you just have these two mirrors, the side mirrors and the middle mirror, and it's not easy to reverse. So you need to be really nice at reversing, because that's the only thing you need to learn. And if you know how to reverse properly, then you can drive your car anywhere. Thank you guys for watching my video, and I hope you like it. And this car is nice. Like, yeah, if you are buying it for the first time, if you are buying a car for the first time, this is a good starter's car and you can get this car for a good price. This is the top model of this car, so it is a bit costly, but if you're gonna get the middle model, it will be just in your budget and it will be really nice. So I hope you're gonna like this video and you are gonna learn from it, and you are just gonna know the features this car have. I have not showed every single feature because there are some common features which every single car have, so I haven't shown those features. But this car have new feature and I have shown you all of those features. So I hope you like it. Smash the like button and subscribe to my channel. That will help me a lot, because I am trying to gain new subscribers and to build a base. So thank you guys for watching. Peace out.